Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mark all of your emails in the inbox as read? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mark all of your emails in your Microsoft Outlook as read? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably get a huge amount of emails coming in. But if you've already read through all of the important ones, maybe you want to go ahead and mark them all as read. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook email inbox. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook email, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and mark all of your emails as read, first click on Inbox here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the emails in your inbox, and you want to click on this little square icon right here. It's called Select. Once you click there, you can see a little box show up here to the left of all of your emails, and you can choose one by one which ones you want to go ahead and mark as read. So for example, those two, and then you're going to see this box pop up here on the right, and you want to click Mark as Read. Now, if you want to mark all of them as read, you can click this box here at the top, and you can see it just checks everything in your inbox, and you just do the same thing, mark as read. Okay, so now all of my emails are marked as read. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mark all of your emails in Microsoft Outlook as read, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.